Okay, I thought we'd just do a little tour of the Christmas lights of Cantoria, because they are rather fabulous this year. So they sort of start about here. I don't know how much the camera picks up, but there's a nice Feliz Navidad in the middle of the road there, and all the orange trees which have been trimmed to within an inch of their lives have all got lit, all got lights which look a bit special. Some flashing, some on all the time, some sort of fading and coming back on, but all quite nice, I think. Some nice blue Christmas trees. They've really done a great job. More blue trees. I do wonder whether they purchase these lights or whether they just swap with other towns and villages, because obviously they can sort of share them around, and then every place would have a different set of lights every year. And here we've got something a little bit different, but we've still got the lights on all the trees. Yes, if they swap them around, they could obviously sort of just basically have different lights in every village every year, every town every year, without having to go and buy a load of new ones. But whether they're that organised, I don't know. You see the tree here is nicely lit up. The church is lit up as well, but you can't really see that. Oh, the church on the top, which you can't see from down in the town, is lit up blue, which really looks nice. Loads of lights around there. Look at that lot. A lot of traffic. It's rush hour. Never seen so much traffic. Lights all the way down here. When we get around the corner, I don't know whether the camera will pick it up, but there's a lovely nativity scene outside the church, outside the town hall, and all the trees down here are beautifully lit. Always a big Mr. Snowman. You might be able to see him as I pull round. Does he pick that up? Yeah, I think he does. Yeah, and you can see the lovely Christmas tree there. Front of the town all looks fabulous, but unfortunately this isn't, we're not going to see it because we don't face it, unfortunately. Now I've got to find somewhere to park so I can get my Chinese. That could be a bit of a problem. Crikey, it is rush hour. Nowhere to park. Let's see if we can get around here. Oh, there you can see the church at the top there, actually. Well, I can. I hope the camera can pick it up. Now, probably want to turn down there. Let's see if I can get parked. I think the answer to that is a firm no. Good God! You can see the Christmas tree ahead there. I wonder if I can go this way and just catch the front of the town hall. I could be a bit naughty and just pull onto the pavement a wee bit, just to give you a bit of a view. There we go. So I need to try and find somewhere to park. I'll try and park around the corner here. There's often somewhere here. Not tonight, Josephine. Well, I think I'm going to assume that nobody wants to get in their garage. That could be a bit of a dodgy assumption, couldn't it? Well, I don't know what's going on, why it should be so busy. I've never known it so bad. Oh, I wonder if I could slot on the end there. Yeah, I reckon I could. Right, we resume on the back road out. Not quite sure what we've got down there, but there's a few lights strung across the street, which is always nice to see. Got me Chinese, you'll be pleased to hear. The car survived being parked right on the edge of the, right on the end of the road, on the edge of the pavement. Which is always a little dodgy with these narrow streets, but if you didn't take a chance, you'd never get parked. I think we'll just go back up here so we can go round where the lights are again and get a view coming the other way. I do love the way they've done these trees. It's so sweet. Here we are. Oh, and there's a tree on the end there I hadn't noticed before, with some nice lights and blue streaks. Very good. They've really gone to town this year. Oh, there's some down there we could have seen, but never mind. And there we go. That, as they say, is your lot. Christmas lights of Cantoria, thank you.